Hello, good evening everyone. So today we'll be discussing the topic which is GST. Now this GST topic is introduced in ICSE grade 10 and into CBSE of grade 8 students. So just a normal type of example which is asked, that only we'll discuss. So GST came into effect from 1st July 2017. Earlier there were many types of taxes, that would be sales tax, VAT tax and many others. But after removing all these taxes, this only came into effect, and GST's full form is Goods Service Tax. Now it is of two types, that is interstate and intrastate. Okay. Now interstate is denoted by IGST and intrastate is divided into again two types, that is CGST and SGST. Now this CGST is collected by central government and this is covered by state government. For example, any thing which is being, or any trading which is done between inter the state, for example in Maharashtra only, from Nasik to Nagpur, if anything is done, and the GST percentage is 28% on the original value, whatever the goods are on the original value, it is there. So now this will be divided into two, that is 14% and 14%. So 14% will be collected by central government and this 14% will be collected by state government. But what happens here in interstate? Okay, interstate means when I am going, when things are going from Maharashtra to Gujarat. Okay, so that way if 28% is collected, the 28% whole will be collected by central government only. State will not have any share in it. So this is one of the thing. Now how GST is calculated? GST is always calculated on the original value. For example, an article is thing is that price at rupees 6,000 rupees. And the GST percentage is equal to 12%. Okay, so what would be the new cost price? So obviously the new cost price, because shopkeeper, whatever he is selling, he will not pay that GST from his pocket. He will collect it from the customers only. So 6,000 into 12 upon 100, both zeros will cancel, 12 6 is 72. So 720 rupees is the GST value on 6,000 rupees. Therefore, the new cost price would be 6720. So this is the amount which a customer has to pay to the shopkeeper for buying that article. Hope this is understood. So this is a short concept about GST which is used by grade 8 and grade 10, grade 8 CBSE and grade 10 ICSE students. Thank you.